How to tie a tie, Pratt Knot. The Pratt Knot Shelby Knot is a modern, stylish choice that works for almost any semi-formal or formal occasion. It requires only a single wrap around the necktie and has a medium, elongated triangular shape. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to tie a Pratt Knot, a neat, symmetrical, and medium-sized knot that's perfect for business and formal wear. Step 1. Facing a mirror, drape the tie around your neck with the wide end on your right and the seams facing outward, inside out. The wide end on your right should hang about 12 inches lower than the narrow end. Step 2. Take the wide end and cross it under the narrow end, forming an X beneath your chin. Step 3. Lift the wide end up through the neck loop from the top and pull it down to the left side. Step 4. Bring the wide end across the front, moving from left to right. Step 5. Take the wide end up through the neck loop from underneath. Step 6. Guide the wide end down through the loop you just created in the front. Step 7. Hold the narrow end and slide the knot up towards your collar, adjusting it to sit symmetrical and snug. Make sure the knot is clean and even for a polished look. The Pratt Knot is a notch above the simple knot in terms of both formality and ease, but still considered slightly less formal compared to the handsome Windsor and half Windsor knot. If this tutorial helped you, like this video, subscribe for more style tips, and comment below with your favorite tie knot. Dress for success. Tie your tie with confidence.